The following portion of Daytime Tri-Cities is sponsored by Renovus Medical Spa. All right, welcome back. Once again, we are live this morning here at Renovus Medical Spa on Bristol Highway in Johnson City, as promised. Taking you inside one of the treatment rooms here. We have Dr. Clemons with us. Thanks for having us out, giving us this look.
Absolutely. And we have Kelly here with us too. Y'all have seen her before. So Kelly, the patient, what do you do? Bad photo damage, the bad spots, the fine wrinkles, the sagging skin, loose skin. Well, you've all heard of microneedling. Okay, we've done microneedling for years, and that's a phenomenal procedure. But this is an improvement. This is a new Vivace machine. We've now been doing this about 4 months. Phenomenal results, getting completely brand new healthy skin. And she could go to a party tonight, okay? But this is combining microneedling with a little series of needles that go into the skin, but they're insulated except at the tip. And so what's happening is, as it goes in with each pass, and she's numb, so she's not really feeling any pain. So as it goes in, at the very tips, a little electric current is going through, radio frequency sound waves, creating heat. So we do 3 passes with, this is the dermis where the collagen is, this is the skin over here. We're able to put a layer of heat down in the lower part of the dermis. We come back to a second treatment the same time. Then we do heat here in the middle part, and then we heat the upper part with our 3rd pass. So we're able to lay down heat here besides the injury of the microneedling. But because they're insulated needles, they don't heat up the top part, so you don't have skin damage. So that's why you look beautiful. She'll look even better tomorrow, but she could go out and do whatever she wanted to this afternoon and tonight. It really works great.
So minimal downtime, and she was in the office about 9 o'clock this morning. So this is not a lengthy procedure either.
Not at all. It probably takes longer to let the topical numbing stay on than it actually does to do the procedures. You just need to stay here and lay down here for it, but there's no preparation beforehand or after. We give you a cream to use just to help it heal a little faster. But again, these are the fine lines and wrinkles. This is the aging skin. Although we're using it now in patients in their late 20s, 30s that are starting to want to do some little preventive work, especially if they had been out in the sun an awful lot. Okay. So this is going to repair the sun damage. It's going to repair the aging skin. We've used them all the way up. I don't know if we've done anybody in their 80s. I know we have done in the 70s. So all ages from about 30 to 70 if you want your skin repaired. Now you can cover it up, hide with cosmetic makeups or whatever, but if you want new, healthy, fresh, young skin, it's 3 total treatments once a month for about 3 months, roughly. Okay. But this is how you can generate the skin. By the way, we can treat other areas of the body. So the wrinkles, crinkles back on the buttocks, on the abdomen, loose skin, again, the floppy neck. It's not a big floppy neck where it's kind of loose and kind of falling, a little bit of pouch developing in here because it'll melt some fat too. So it's really good for whatever ails you if you want it repaired for a long time, for years.
And we can see Kelly has this screen sort of in front of her as well, which is kind of giving her that information as she's doing the procedure.
Exactly. She can dial the depth of penetration, the amount of current that's going through, because the deeper we go is down in deeper into the dermis for the collagen, but also the amount of heat that's generated with the radio frequency. So if you have severe damage, we'll use a little bit more. If your damage isn't quite as severe, we use a little bit less. So again, one size doesn't fit all. There is an art to this, okay? And Kelly's done dozens and dozens of these and everything, but there is an art. You have to adjust your treatment for the patient. That's why you have to come in, let us see you, let us evaluate, see if you're a candidate. Again, if you're not a candidate, we have other ways of doing it. We have a lot of ways to get there. This is the latest. It's the best that I've seen in doing all of this, and like I said, our patients. And our staff loves it too,
Yeah.
because if they didn't love it, they wouldn't do it.
Exactly. Yes, I've heard you guys talk about it, the response you get. I know when your clients walk out with a big smile on their face and they're so happy, and quite the results. Well, we'll give everybody the information. He's doing some special pricing today, so you will want to call Renovus Medical Spa here on Bristol Highway in Johnson City. You can give their office a call, schedule your consultation, and you can learn more about this procedure. Now, coming up, we're going to take you into another treatment room and show you one of the other popular procedures here at Renovus. For more information, give their office a call, and always stop by their website as well, renovusbeauty.com. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by Renovus Medical Spa.